Well, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Today I did a DIY table in the morning while my husband was making breakfast while wearing pajamas. I needed something for my husband for an end table while he had his coffee or in the evening watching TV for his remotes. And you know what guys, I had some supplies sitting around and I said, you know what? I'm gonna make a table. So I'm really excited. As you can see, I added some gold leafing to it and I will explain all of that later, but we're gonna get into how I was able to achieve this for less than 25 bucks. But some of these supplies have gone up because I had the supplies for a long time. So this I got from Home Depot or Lowe's. I don't even remember. It was a while ago for like $5 and I've had it for quite a while. I ordered these hairpin legs off of Amazon, but at the time I ordered them, they were only $16.99 and it came with everything that you needed. I noticed now that they're a little bit more when I went to go get the information for the description bar. But I proceeded to go ahead and screw on the legs. I just measured it around. Instead of using 4 of them, I only used 3 because I wanted that cool aesthetic. And I'm fist pumping right now because it was so easy to screw these in, guys. It was awesome. Just make sure that when you measure it, that you're measuring it even and that you're placing them where they should go. And all of the instructions came in the actual pamphlet and the hairpin legs that I got from Amazon. And I will tell you guys, it only took me about a minute and a half to do this. As you can see, I didn't use all of the 5 screw holes. I only used 3 of them because it's not going to be having any weight to it. He's going to be using it as an end table, side table. And I will tell you, before the coffee was done brewing, the table was done. It was that simple. Now, and it was a little raw, so I figured I'd add a little bit of meat to it. He still had to cook breakfast. I always wanted to try gold leafing, so I went and got my leafing supplies. And guys, you can tell this was my first time, and I had no experience because I should have primed this or painted it with a first coat, a base coat for the leafing, and I had no idea. But it actually turned out okay in my case. Ignorance was bliss. But guys, never ever go ahead and apply adhesive to raw wood. It's just not going to work, but it worked for me. But don't follow my example. The other thing I did was I immediately went and got some gloves and started applying the gold leafing. This isn't real gold leafing, by the way. It's an imitation that was very inexpensive. And guys, I started applying this right away. I had no idea that you're not supposed to apply it right away. You're supposed to wait for it to go from like a cloudy to a clear look. But you know, like I said, ignorance is bliss because I had no idea. So what I did was I just started using a brush in the beginning to push it down. Later on, I got the better idea to just take the actual paper that separated the leafing sheets, and I used that to basically apply it. Now you can see I was going through this really fast because I'm starting to smell the delicious breakfast and I really wanted to eat it while it was still warm. So I would say this took about, well, under 10 minutes apparently. And by the time I got done doing this, breakfast was almost done and I went to go ahead and sit on the couch, PJs and all, to watch the morning news while I finish my coffee. But as you can see, this technique is not the technique to use, guys. Anyway, this is what it looked like when I was done. I went ahead and basically was thinking I was the bee's knees right about now, that I did something awesome. But as you can see, it's a little messy. I put it on the floor to dry. And once again, went over, put the toolbox down, packed up the tools, and put my feet up to relax while I waited for my breakfast. After breakfast, I went ahead and I just brushed away the additional gold leafing, got it down to that one layer to make it clean and precise, took it out on my patio with some gloss, some clear gloss spray, and I sprayed it. It was a really hot day, so this actually cured within about 15 minutes. By the time I got out the shower, it was already done. I brought it inside because I wasn't even sure if it was going to actually be dry, but as you can see, it's completely dry. So yeah, this table with the gold leafing came out perfect. I absolutely love it. Awesome project. I've seen this in stores for over $100, and I did this for under $25. Once again, for some reason the pricing on those hairpin legs are a little higher now, so of course it'll cost more, but I priced it out now and it'll probably be about $40. So I love this. He has what he needs, and I love the way the gold leafing came out, and the fact that it was on raw wood makes the texture absolutely beautiful. So I hope you guys like this. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, smash that like button. Don't forget to basically comment below and let me know how you feel about this project. It was awesome DIY. Hope to see you guys next time. You become a subscriber and a part of my family. And stay safe, guys, and be blessed.